Welcome back, guys. Got Back Hunter here. We have 3 left of the putting together my binder, and I found 9 unopened Silver Tempest packs. Can we pull something good? Nothing. 2 left, guys. 2 left. Come on. Let's go. Come on, come on. Some bowl arts. Let's go. Come on. Come on. It's the free thing. Hypno. Last pack, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Nothing. Well, we tried. So, I guess I'm going to continue putting together my binder. Now I got some more cards to add and see where we're at. Tune in again. See you guys.